everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We're out here on our studio room again today. Our windows have arrived after 3 weeks. We have cut the hole out in the window. We have folded our 30-pound felt over on the insides of it. Now we're putting our tape on to help waterproof it. And you know, this is something I know they do up north. They do everywhere I've been. This is something that they do. But I like to do this because I just like that extra insurance that water's not going to get in somewhere and actually damage something. That's a big issue here. We have a lot of humidity. We have a lot of rain. That's one of the reasons I'm trying to make sure we get this as watertight as possible here. This is very, very important that this gets done and gets done right. Now, we're going to be installing the window in just a minute. Once we get all this tape work done. And yes, I have been in different parts of the country. I've seen it done different in different places. I've seen wider tape used. The company where I went to pick my tape up at did not have the wide roll, so what I'm doing is taking the 3.5-inch wide roll and doubling it up to do exactly the same thing that the 8-inch wide or 6-inch wide roll would do. So there we have it. We are ready now to set our window in. Inside. Kind of make sure it's squared up around. Yeah. I gotta get some nails, but perfect. That's right where it's sitting. Okay guys, we're going to finish up the window here now. We've got it installed. We've got our seal around it here to keep water from getting on the inside. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this up in here. We always want to start on the bottom. And you know what? I'm going to do something different here. I can't stand my writing to be in the wrong direction. It doesn't mean anything, I just don't like it. We're making sure we get this covered up. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to continue around the window. We're going to go up the sides next and then over the top. Okay guys, we've got the tape around the entire window now. I wanted to show you what the completed project looks like. This completely waterproofs the window. Now the siding goes on, and well, we're going to put the other window in, then we're going to put the siding on, and we'll have a waterproof wall in. More I get it up on that right there. Okay.
Oh, yeah, right.
Okay. Your side, hold me, put this back in here. Door kind of opens a little bit. No, it's gonna tilt the top out now. So
Okay.
take one of the packs of shims and stick under the bottom of the door.
The whole pack?
Yeah, go ahead and hang the pack. That's a piece of the pack. Stick it under the bottom of the door out here. Just stick it up edgeways under the bottom of that door. Edgeways. There you go. Right there. Just stay there. Okay. Okie dokie. Now, see it won't. Just make sure this thing will shut. There we go. Okay. There we are. That is it right there. All of our reveal around the door is good up here, and all the way down the sides is good. Got the same. Now it's time to put the gasket in. Okay guys, the groove we cut around the door here, it was a 1/2 inch deep in the earlier part of the video with the table saw. That's what this is for. This has this little lip on it right here, if I can get in closer to the camera. I still ain't gonna go. Still want to. Sometimes, guys, it can be a little hard to get that in. You need to take a block of wood and be real careful with it, and just and tap it in to make sure you get it where it's fitting real good, because it can be a job sometimes. It's not necessarily the easiest thing in the world. Get a good fit. Okay, top piece in. Use a thin kerf blade. I have to take my block of wood. If I can get it in here, that door there. Okay guys, this completes the trim, the building of the casing around the door, and installing the doorknob here. So let's get a little closer here. You can see it opens, it closes. Got to get a deadbolt to go in it, and that'll be a completion on that. Now comes building the trim. That'll be the next phase around this door. We're going to be building the trim to match this door right here. All the artwork that's around it, the detail stuff all the way down to make it look identical to this one on this side of the room.